Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Azaya, aka Zay. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell so you're notified every single time I upload. And yeah, we're just gonna hop right into the video, okay? Today I'm gonna be reviewing West Kissed hair, okay, on Amazon. They did reach out to me on Instagram to review some hair for them. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm just gonna hop right in it because I've had the package for hours now and I'm excited to open it. So it came shipped via UPS. It came in 2 days. I believe if you order on Amazon though, you would have to pay for shipping unless you have Prime. But yeah, we're about to just get into it and see everything that they sent to me, okay? I have my little invoice from West Kiss. So that's it. In the box, I got this little paper, this package, which feels like the closure, and the box of hair, okay? So we are gonna open. So first, what does it say here? I received the West Kiss Brazilian, it's from West Kiss, but I have the Brazilian Deep Wave bundles. I have 3 bundles of 14, 16, and 18 in a deep wave, a matching deep wave closure, okay? So I want to open the closure first because I'm excited to see what this hair is looking like. So that's what we're about to do. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna open it with like making the least amount of mess. So I'm just gonna cut it open. That's cute, okay. Anyway, it comes with a little pamphlet. It says, love your hair, kiss your beauty. And then it says West Kiss for your beauty. And inside is just them thanking you for choosing West Kiss. It has some frequently asked questions. How long your hair will last, and instructions on how to take care of your hair and all that good stuff, okay? And it's laminated, which is pretty cool because you can like save this if you don't really know too much about hair. Like I said, it also came with a cute little choker. I don't wear chokers, but it's cute, so thank you for that. And I'm gonna open this first and then we'll open the actual hair because I wanna feel it all together. So we're just gonna. And their packaging is pink. Their box is pink and white, which I love because pink is one of my favorite colors. So maybe another thumbnail. So anyway, again, it says love your hair, kiss your beauty, with the little West Kiss. So we're just gonna open it like that. Ooh. And I love their packaging, it's so cute. So again, inside, it comes with another brochure. So, you know, I have 2 of those, so that way people can know how to take care of their hair. Now this is I'm just gonna open it up and see. I'm honestly not sure. It doesn't say the length on there. Oh, Oh, it says on the back. This is the 16-inch. Now, immediately after opening the hair, it does have like a processed smell to it. It smells like, it kind of smells like a little fishy. It's not like strong. I don't know how to explain it, but it doesn't smell the best. But the hair is soft. Okay, I'm gonna have to wash that before I put that in my head. And I'm just gonna open the rest of the bundles to see if it has the same smell. And I'm just gonna shove these right back in their packaging, since this is not labeled. These little labels are not labeled. So the hair is very soft so far though. So this one doesn't smell, the 18-inch doesn't smell as bad. It smells like they like washed it or put like perfume on it or something. So maybe that one was just wet and it didn't dry. But the hair is very, very soft. Let me see. I'm running my hands through it. And granted, this is deep wave hair. I'm running my fingers through it. And I did get some shedding. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I did get some shedding. So yes, the hair is very soft. I'm not gonna open the 14-inch on camera because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna show you guys what the closure looks like. So the closure also smells a bit strange. It doesn't just smell like regular hair. Like if you've ever ordered hair before, I feel like you'll know what I'm talking about, but it doesn't smell like, it doesn't stink. I just don't know how to explain what it smells like, but the closure is pretty nice. I believe my closure is a 4x4. That's what it looks like. Yep, it's a 4x4. It comes with some baby hairs. Is it pre-plucked? I don't know. It doesn't look too dense though, but it comes with some baby hairs. And let me see, let me part it for you guys. This is a free part closure. So the hair is very, very pretty though. Like it's so pretty. And that's, I hope you guys can see it, but that's what the parting looks like, okay? So I want to dye this hair an actual color because I wasn't gonna dye my curly hair, the kinky curly hair that I had, a color. So I'm gonna dye this curly hair a color, and we will see what is going on. Okay, so that's my unboxing video. I'm super excited. I do plan on making a wig out of the hair and all that good stuff. So far the hair looks pretty good, and we're gonna make a wig out of this hair. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe like I said before, just so you can see my updates on this hair, see how I make my wigs, and I have a whole bunch of other fun tutorials for you guys. Okay, and until next time, I'm signing off. Bye guys.